And a base hit to right to tie up the ball game. Johnny Herrera, come on down. It's 1-1. Very patient at bat by Tulowitzki, George. He finally got a pitch out over the plate.
Finally got something out where he could extend. I mean, he was just like, all right, if you could pound me in and get a call for a strike on the inside, that's where they went. Back to back was on the inner half of the plate, setting up. He gets called strike one. Go back in again. Nope, not this time. But it tells you on the forward strike zone, those two out of those three pitches all in the same spot. And were not called strikes. He works it away. Mistake made by Pilfer. You saw